How to make a long hair and beard trend video filter like this. Using the CapCut app. First of all, install the FaceApp app on your phone. You can download it for free on the Google Play Store service. Open the app. Then select your photo. First, open this hairstyles menu. Select the Long 2 filter. Then apply it. Continue to open the Beards menu. Select the Full Beards filter. And apply it too. Finally, save your photo. Next, open the CapCut app. Create a new project. Then add the filtered photo first, and continue with your original photo. For your original photo, move the clip to the overlay track. Then align it like this. Add a keyframe at the start of the overlay clip. Then go to the Mask menu. Choose Split. Rotate the line to 90 degrees. Then drag it all the way to the left. Drag your timeline to the end of the photo clip. Then drag the masking line all the way to the right. By the way, you can also use a CapCut template to make it easier for you to make before-after videos like before. I have shared the CapCut template link in the comments below. Okay guys, those are the steps for making long hair and beard filter video trends using the CapCut app. So, thanks for watching, and see you in another interesting CapCut video tutorials.